will save your legs.
Warm a cold world with your kindness, and the universe will light your way home.
I feel lonely. Hi, I am Mia. Hello. It's nice to meet you. Can I sit here with you? Let's draw together. Okay.
Hello, class! Today, we will begin our first lesson. Who can solve this math problem?
I can solve that problem.
She invited Anna to answer.
Yes, 4 are to 2 but 8.
Very good, Anna.
Why is it so difficult? I'll help you. Need some help, Mia? Yes. Math is so hard. Just look at this shape. Oh, wow. Oh, I get it now. You are very smart, Mia.
Thank you so much, Anna.
The atmosphere is very pleasant. Do you want to play soccer? I don't want to be like that either.
Look at the robot girl.
She looks so pathetic. She cannot even run.
Stop it right now, Chloe.
Chole stopped immediately.
Move away, Mia.
She is my best friend. Go away. It's okay, Anna. Please do not cry, Anna. Oh, wow. You are a genius.
Hello, Mia. How are you?
I am very good, thank you, ma'am.
Please come in. I baked some cookies.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
I just wish Anna could walk.
Can the doctors help her?
Yes, but the surgery costs too much.
These are my paper wings. The room is really beautiful. They are truly beautiful, Anna. They help my mind fly freely. Your hands will save your legs. Thank you so much, Mia. I folded paper cranes hoping for a miracle that would help me walk again. And I've been in a wheelchair for 8 years. This is the 1,000th crane I've folded, and I believe my wish to be able to walk again will come true. I believe everyone will empathize and share Anna's feelings about this. Thank you for watching.
Anna, you should seek support from your friends.
My project is totally ruined. Do not cry, Chloe. Why are you helping me? I can rebuild it with paper.
Oh, wow. This is absolutely beautiful work, Chloe.
I am so deeply sorry, Anna.
It is okay, Chloe. We are friends. Only 800? What should I do? But we need 50,000.
The amount is too small.
I don't know what to do.
We only have $800.
That's sad.
The hospital just called.
What did they say, Mom?
We only have 1 week left.
Then I will never walk?
I am just a robot girl.
We will not give up. Chloe! Look at the views! People are donating so much money! Potential! Anna, we have the money!
The surgery was a massive success.
You can do it, Anna. Take a step for us.
I am standing. I really am.
Kindness is the beacon that guides us home.
Thank you so much for watching until the end of the video. Subscribe to the channel to learn English through touching family stories every week.